What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to do a little bit of bank fishing. Drive past this spot pretty frequently, and I've always wanted to hit it, so today is the day. Hopefully we can get some big fish out of there. We got a tournament coming up next week on all around the world fish donkey, so hopefully this will be my secret spot, if you will. For those of you who don't know, I'm Charlie. The YouTube channel is Dink Hunter. On this channel we just do a lot of tournament fishing that me and my friends set up, and we just try to do some bank fishing and some unboxing videos, trying to learn a lot of new techniques and how to implement them. It's my journey as an angler to become better, so hopefully you guys can learn something along the way as I learned something, and I can teach you guys. So if you guys think that you like this content and you want to see more of it, just make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any more of the videos that come out. Thanks for watching, and see you guys out there. So when I tried to get to this location, there was a bunch of no trespassing signs and no parking signs. So we are going to have to walk through the woods in order to get there. So here we go. Okay, so traversed pretty much through all the woods. I think we're at the final step, but it's pretty interesting. Wish me luck. Well, there's that. All right, since pretty much done with the 45-minute walk it took us to get here to the place that's 3 minutes away from my house, but finally here. All right, see if we got anything good in here. Got one. Nice. Nice catch. All right, got a fish, couple of casts in on that spot, but that was pretty much the end of that. So we're gonna hike up the creek and see if we can find any other good spots I've never been to. So I guess this used to be a dam, but look at the amount of rebar that's just ripped out of the cement. Imagine the power that it took for the water to just smash right through that stuff. Rocky bit here with some sticks and twigs, but oh well, hopefully it's all worth it. Oh Jesus. All right, let's try the spot I just tried. Got him. Oh, he didn't bite it. He nibbled it, but he didn't commit. All right, so now I'd like to show you guys how a real crawfish acts under the water. So when you guys are flipping and pitching or rocking that crawfish style bait under the water and you're wondering what it really is supposed to look like for the bass to be most attracted to it, I'm going to show you guys real crawfish that I found, and you can see how they react, and then you'll know how the bass are expecting them to react. So let's check it out. Right in here under this rock. I can't. Here they go. It's a real crayfish right there. The thing's big. You left under the water, but see, there they go. You see him jumping? See if I can. So as you guys can see, they pretty much like pop up in the air, like you would almost imagine bending your rod tip and flicking it up. So it looks like it's jumping very scarcely and very fast, and then settling back down. So if you were a bass, imagine that, how you're flipping and pitching your crawfish style baits. They're flip, boom, and then let it sit for a second, boom, and then let it sit for a second, and that'll most imitate what a crawfish is really looking like. All right, that's pretty much it for today. I lost the lure and a hook on the fishing pole that I was mainly using, so this day scouting's pretty much over. We did see a cool skull, and you guys got some cool tips and tricks on how to run crawfish bait. Just again to recap, you guys saw the video, but how the crawfish pop, pop, pop. So if you're gonna let it sit on the bottom, just make sure you pop, let it sit, pop, let it sit. If you guys decide to swim it, because swimming sometimes is good, you know, it makes, you saw how the crawfish like to run. If you want to swim it, just make sure you give it a couple pops every once in a while. The fish will really get triggered towards that, and you guys saw that in the video of how the crawfish actually act. So hopefully this video helped you out and gave you some good information, and if it did, comment down below and give me a thumbs up so I know you guys liked it. Thanks.